Hi, this is day 2. Today I'm going to fill and freeze my cakes. So yesterday I said that I was going to wrap the cakes and freeze them, but I decided not to do that and instead fill them and freeze them. So sometimes when I have time, I will make the filling and then go ahead and stack and fill the cakes and freeze them. So that saves me time on the back end. So today I'm making ganache. And I already have the Swiss meringue buttercream ready, so that's probably like a half hour unaccounted for in the total time.
Hello.
Okay, so here we go, day 2. Okay, let's say another 2 hours if we account for the Swiss meringue buttercream that was made ahead of time. And then the time that I used to make the ganache and to fill these cakes, wrap them up, unfreeze them. So this is day 2 concluding so far. Maybe I'll make some modeling chocolate tonight and get it ready if I have time. All right, see ya.